How to switch front to back camera during video on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can switch front to back camera during video on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So as you might have noticed, whenever you're on your camera and on your videos, whenever you start a video, you cannot actually rotate your camera. So this is how you fix the problem, and this is how you can switch it. The first thing you will need to do is head over to your settings. On your settings, scroll down and there you should find the camera option. Head over there. After you're on your camera, make sure that you find the record video option. It's right here. Tap on it. After you tap on it, you will see a lot of settings for your record video option, and there is one option called lock camera. Now, lock camera is the option that is not allowing you to switch your front to back camera during your videos on iPhone. So all you now need to do is turn this off. As it says on the description of lock camera, it will not allow to automatically switch between cameras while recording videos. So simply turn that feature off and then you can now switch front to back camera during video on iPhone. And that is how you do it, guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye.